How long was the holiday? 1 month? 2 months? Wow, pretty long. What did you do in the holidays? Chutti? Enjoyed the chutti? What did you do? Did you go out? बाहर गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? You didn't go out? अच्छा, what did you do? Where? In the school? Very good. So you were studying English, right? And what else did you do the whole day? It was your holiday, तो क्या करा सारा दिन? The whole day? Did you go out to see a movie? Which movie did you see? Dhoom 2. Omkara. And did you see any movie? Film देखी? TV देखा? You watched TV? And did you go out for picnic? No? ऐसे घूमने गए थे? Where did you go? Hazratganj. Nishadganj. Nishadganj is a big market, right? Okay. How many of you have gone to a market? Did you go to market? Do you go to market every day? No? Sometimes you go to market, right? Okay, now tell me, what do you see in the market? What do you find in the market? क्या क्या मिलता है market में? What do you get? One by one? Vegetables, okay. Just wait. Read this. How do you say very good. In the market you find vegetables. How do you spell vegetables? Very good. One is vegetables. What else do you get in the market? Ice cream. Wow, I love ice cream. You love ice cream? Which ice cream you like? Ice cream. And what else? What do you get in the market? क्या मिलता है? Clothes. Very good. You get clothes. And yes, slippers, shoes and slippers. That comes in clothes, all kinds of clothes. Socks, that uniform also comes in clothes. Okay. What else? Kapde is clothes. What else you get in the market? Tops? Pardon? Fruits and vegetables. Okay, right, just here. Vegetables and fruits. How do you spell fruits? I-T-A. And what else? What do you get in the market? Books. Very good. You get books and stationery. Stationery means your copies, pencils, everything, right? Box. What? Purses. Bags and purses. Okay. Very good. What else? Yes, and birthday ka, like cake. So that is Candles, cakes, decoration. And that cakes you will get at bakery shop. Where will you get? Bakery shop. So bakery is there, and you will get cake, everything there, okay? And you will get decorations for your birthdays and the parties. What else do you get in the market? Only these things you get in the market? The big shops are there. Beds and furniture. You mean furniture. When we say furniture, that means what else you get? That furniture is beds and kadai. Kadai is not in furniture. What is furniture? जब हम फर्नीचर की बात करते हैं तो हम खाली बेड की बात तो नहीं करते ना. सोफा, वेरी गुड. सोफा, चेयर, टेबल, कबर्ड, वेरी गुड. So all this comes in furniture. How do you spell furniture? F-U-R, very good. N-I No, T-U-R-E, furniture. Okay, what else you get? Bus you don't get in the market. You can't buy a bus. You see them on the road. Yes, what? What do you call khilone in English? Very good. Toys. So you get toys. All kinds of toys. Battery operated electronic toys and simple plastic toys. What else? Cupboard you have that you have already said. That is in furniture. What else? What do you see in the market? There are so many shops there. Come on, recall. Yaad karo. What shop? Huh? Photographer shop. Yes, very good. Photographer. Scenery. What is that? Photographer. Yes? Huh? Huh? Nail polish. She is saying nail polish. Where you get nail polish? Nail? Artificial nail? Yes, very good. She is absolutely right. She said कहाँ मिलता है? Cosmetic shop. At the cosmetic shop. So all this comes in cosmetics. What else you get in cosmetics? Nail polish and first you say what are the cosmetics? Cosmetics में क्या क्या आता है? Lip, bindi and powder, talcum powder. Earrings. That is not cosmetic. Talcum powder, lipstick, nail polish, and what you don't get at cosmetic shop. That is also not in cosmetic shop. Where do you get all these your bangles and watches and necklace, bracelet? Where do you get? Ring. Where do you get? Which shop is this? कहाँ मिलता है ये सब? If you have cosmetic, jewelry. What do you call it? Jewelry. So this is jewelry shop. How do you spell? No, J-E-W. Jewelry. E-L-L-E-R-Y. Jewelry. Now jewelry can be artificial also. Jewelry can be of what? Gold or silver, right? Okay, what else? Now Lolita was saying stereo, right? Stereo and TV and television and computers. And where do you get all this? Okay, all these things, where you get them? Okay, where do you get them? Beta, come in. Electronics shop, okay? Or the electrical goods you get at electrical shop, electronics. What we call them? Electronics. And you get all the things, radio, TV. Beauty parlor, very good. You see beauty parlor also in the market. And what else do you see in the market? What else do you see in the market? What? No, what do you see in the market? There are so many shops there, and suppose if your friend's birthday is there and you want to go to her birthday party, so what will you do? You will go to market to buy balloons, gifts. So you will get the gifts from the gift shop, right? Or sometimes if you don't want to give them gifts, then what do you give them? What else do we give? Flowers. And where do you get flowers? In the market? Okay. And who sells flowers? You get flowers in the market, that's all right. Very good that you get flowers. Now, you tell me who sells flowers? We did this, that when we did cobbler and carpenter, who sells flowers? Rose is a flower, dear. How can rose sell flowers? Lotus is also a name of a flower. You don't know? You don't know? What it is? Huh? A florist. A florist sells flowers. Who sells flowers? A florist sells flowers. Now, there are many times you want to buy flowers, maybe for your teacher or for your mother's birthday or for friends or to give someone, right? Aren't they lovely gifts? Everybody likes flowers. And you know the names of the flowers. What kind of flowers do you get at the florist shop? What kind of flowers? कौन-कौन से flowers मिलते हैं? Wait a minute. How do you spell rose? R-O-S-E. Okay. You don't get sunflower at the florist shop, dear. Sunflower is a flower, that's alright, but you don't get it at the florist shop. Sunflower. What is a marigold? How do you spell marigold? Surajmukhi is your sunflower. What is marigold? Mary R I. Very good. Gold. Very good. Marigold. Marigold, you know what is this? What is the color of marigold? And orange. Very good. Sometimes you get white marigold also. Have you seen white marigold? You know what is a marigold? मालूम है आपको marigold कौन सा फ्लावर होता है? कौन सा? क्या बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में? Come on. गेंदा. गेंदा देखा है ना? That is your marigold. We call it marigold. What else? और कौन से फ्लावर्स आपको पता है? Lotus. Where does lotus grow? Lotus. Where does lotus grow? Lotus कहाँ grow करता है? Where does it grow? In the water. What is the color of lotus? Pink and white and red also. Okay. What else? Lily. Somebody said lily. How do you spell lily? Lily. What is the color of lily? You get lily in white also, in orange also, different colors. What else? Any other flowers you know? Here are some flowers. These kinds of flowers you get at the florist. Have you seen these flowers? These white flowers, have you seen them? What are these flowers? What do you call them? What do you call them? Rajnigandha. Very good. Rajnigandha. They smell very nice. Then what are these red flowers? Rose. And roses are of different colors. You know? Red and pink and white, yellow, orange, black rose, yes, violet and different shades of red and pink and yellow and purple, yes. And you know rose is called king of flowers. What is rose called? King of flowers. फूलों का राजा है ये. Right? And everybody likes it. Okay. Now tell me, what is this yellow flower? No dear, it is not sunflower. No dear. It is not sunflower. What is it? See. This is not Surajmukhi. This is not sunflower. What is it? It is called Jarbera. It is called Jarbera. And Jarbera also you get in different colors. White, pink, red, yellow, orange, purple. All these colors. Okay? And so what is this flower? Jarbera. Jarbera. And what is this? This one? This one? No, this is not canna. Gladioli. What is it? Gladioli. I am showing you these flowers because these are the kind of flowers you get at the florist shop. ये वाले flowers मिलते हैं because people want to make a bouquet out of these flowers. Okay. So now you know what are the names of these flowers. White one, Rajnigandha. This one, Gladioli. Gladioli, right. And we get the flowers you name, sunflower, marigold, lotus, but they don't use it to make a bouquet. You don't gift marigold. आप marigold तो किसी को ले जाके gift नहीं देते हो ना? Happy birthday and a bunch of marigold. Do you give them? No, but they are lovely flowers. They look nice and everybody likes them, right? Okay, now you have to enact. You have to enact that how you will go to a florist shop and you will buy the flowers. Suppose I am a florist. I am florist. This is my shop. I am selling flowers. Come on now, Nishi, you come. You want to buy flowers for your friend's birthday?
Happy birthday.
Whose happy birthday? Friends. Okay. So come. Stand this way.
Give me a flower.
No. First you have to say that how much are these for?
How much are these flowers?
How much the Rajnigandhas are for?
How much the
Rajnigandhas are for?
How much the Rajnigandha for?
Nishi, this is 5 rupees per stick. 5 rupees per stick. How many do you want to buy?
5.
No. How many do you want to buy? कितने चाहिए आपको? How many do you want to buy? 2? Okay, give me 10 rupees. Here. Here I give you 2. Here your 2 sticks of Rajnigandha. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now who will come? Come. Give it to me. Now go back to your seat. Come, Lolita. Come and stand this side. Okay. Good. Don't touch the flowers. First say, yes, beta, how can I help you? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? You want to buy roses? 1 rose or you want to buy roses? 2 roses you want to buy. For whom do you want to buy? Say, किसके लिए खरीद रहे हो? For whom? Everybody is buying for friends. And no brothers and no sisters? No teachers also? Okay, friends. You are asking for roses. Say, how much are the roses for? How much are the roses for? 5 rupees per rose. 5 rupees per rose. Per rose means 1 rose for 5 rupees. How many roses do you want to buy? 2. Now give me 10 rupees. Okay, here. Fine? Are they fine? Welcome. Okay. Go. Yes, anybody else come from that side? Come. Camera. Okay. Come this side. Okay. Say, Auntie, it's my sister's birthday. What should I give her? What should I give her? मैं उसको क्या दूँ? What should I give her? You give her this Gerbera. It's lovely flower. Right? She will be very happy to have this Gerbera. How much does it cost? Ask. How much does it cost? What will you say? How much does it cost? कितने पैसे हैं? This is for 10 rupees. One for 10 rupees. Want to buy? Say, and it's too expensive, too costly. I don't have that much money. I don't have that much money.
I
Don't have that much money. बहुत महंगा है, इतने पैसे नहीं है. It is too costly. What will you say? Too costly. I don't have that much money. Okay, then you take this gladiolite. It is for 3 rupees. Is that all right? Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you. Nice. So now who will be the florist? This way we will enact in the next class. Okay. So any child will be the florist and the other child will come and buy the flowers. Is that okay? So we finish this lesson and tomorrow we will learn a poem on the flowers also. That clear? Will you remember the names of the flowers? Come on, tell me, what are these white ones? Rajnigandha. That table, come on, speak loudly. Jarbera. Gladiolite. Very good. Gladio.